Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove text from a video using the CapCut mobile app. Whether the text was added in CapCut or it's already part of the video, I'll show you how to handle it. So, let's get started. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and tap New Project. Select the video you want to work with and add it to the timeline. If the text was added using CapCut itself, just tap on the text layer in the timeline and hit delete. Simple as that. But if the text is already in the video like it was added before and you can't select it, here's what you can do. Tap on the video clip, then scroll through the bottom options and tap Crop if you want to cut out the area where the text appears. But keep in mind that cropping might affect the framing. If cropping isn't ideal, try covering the text. Tap on Overlay, add a blur shape or a solid color, and place it over the text area. You can also go to Effects, then Video Effects, select Basic, and apply the blur effect. Resize the blur so it hides the text. It won't fully erase the text, but it hides it cleanly without ruining the whole video. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove or hide text from a video using CapCut on mobile. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple editing tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.